Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For this video, I'm in my kitchen and I had to share this drink that I discovered. I don't know where I found it, but it's magical. And if you want to lose weight, you need to drink this in an empty stomach. I had to just have this out because I'm so excited. I hope everyone's doing well. Lately, what's happened is oh my goodness, it's even down. My tummy was like this, I thought that I looked like a pregnant woman. Oh my goodness, I said, no, I have to try something. So I've been fasting and I put on about 3 kilograms. So it's just 7 pounds, I would say. I put on, and I'm not going to give you my weight. I can't, because I'm a big girl and I'm heavy, okay? Let's put it that way. And the thing is, because of my back problem, I've been keeping on putting on weight, especially after I had my operation on my back. So I had my operation right here. I had a surgery done. They wouldn't do it here in Canada because my doctor kept on saying, you're so young, you're so young. But I did have a big problem on my back. Naproxen wasn't working, the pills that she was giving. It took me over a year to go and see the MRI done. And my husband said, and he had back problems as well. He said, this is enough, let's go to Turkey. So we went to Istanbul. The first doctor that I went, he said, you have to have an operation ASAP. So I did. 2 days later, I was in the surgery. And then they removed 2 hernia that was popped, and another was popped, like the pop one was popped. And I don't know, the way that he was explaining, he said, thank God that you came, or else this would have turned into cancer. It was that bad. Let's say it that way. My left leg was numb. So I was having trouble walking. I was still working. But tell me about it. I would go to shopping. Let's say I would go to Walmart. I would enter the building. I would walk about 10, 20 steps, and my back would just kill me. Like I couldn't move. I have to sit down. As soon as I sit down, the pain goes away. So this was taking forever. So I had the operation. So because of a couple of years before and after the operation, still my back hurts. I need to see a specialist, but here I received a mail from my family doctor. She's moving to a different province. Like, think about it, because of the COVID and this, I was very cautious not to put on weight, but I did put on weight. And after I put that 6 pounds, 6.5 pounds, I put another 7 pounds. I said, oh my God, what am I going to do? Because my back is killing me. Because the more you put weight, of course, I'm a big girl, and even I'm active, I'm trying to be active. I'm doing my regular exercise and nothing's working. So let's not take this long. So about, I would say 7 days ago, I found this cure. This, so easy. You need to drink this in an empty stomach. You need 1 lemon. That's what I've been doing. So what I'm doing is, okay, I'm cutting the lemon. I'm squeezing it. That's all I'm doing. Let me just push. It's so easy, and I would highly recommend you to definitely, if you have problems like me, health problems, like I'm avoiding not to take too much painkillers, because I don't want to affect my other body parts, right? My kidney and so on. So this is all I'm doing, nothing else. So 1 lemon. And you need a blender, some sort of blender. Okay. Put the juice in there. Okay, what I do is, I don't want to waste what you call it. So there's still juice in there, right? So I put a hot water and I pour in here. Okay, so I'm done with this. Let's just put this aside. And then what I'm going to do is, you need ginger. Okay, not this full part. I would say about this. I would cut this in half just to show you. This is the ginger. It's not that big. So about 2 fingers, I would say. 2 fingers. That's all we need. So I will use this for tomorrow. And what I do is I get rid of this outside. Ginger. I think ginger is healthy because when I caught COVID in 20, I was drinking ginger, turmeric, and warm water every day till the COVID was gone. And yeah, those days were terrible. So I'm chopping them in the water. It's very simple, so easy. And you need a spoon full of honey. Not a teaspoon, but my spoon isn't that big, not that small. So I put this in the drink, and I'm gonna add more water, warm water, so the honey will dissolve right. Okay, pour it in there. It's hot water actually, but that's okay. I'll add a little bit of cold water, and then I just stir it. Okay, and it will dissolve right away. And what I'm going to do this is, because the garlics are pretty big, right? And we need to chop them. You can use powder ginger. At the beginning, when I first saw this, I just used powder, and I'll show you the one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the mixer here. I bought this at Zeller's years ago. This is over 20 years, believe it or not. 20 years. It's slushy. The Ninja wouldn't, oh, the water's popping. It's too much water, I think. Too much water. Let me just empty the water a little bit. Just like this. And I am going to blend it until the ginger is, there will still be a little bit of pieces, but try to drink that, eat that. I think ginger is a big help. That's all, not too much. You don't need it too much. See, it becomes foamy and it's hot because I added hot water, right, for the honey to, and what I do is I add a little bit of lemon peel, lemon. Try to finish this, okay? And this is what you drink in an empty stomach. Try to finish the whole thing. I know it's a little bit hot. Let me just try it from here. Yeah, it's hot. I'm just gonna add a little bit of cold water to it. I don't know if you're watching me, following me on my Instagram. My coffee machine, the Keurig broke almost after a year. So they sent me a replacement, but I did not discard this. I kept this, and what I'm doing is our fridge has a water filter. So what I'm doing is I'm filling this with filter clean water and using this as a jug. Is it is a, what you call it? Yeah, a jug, right? Jar? No. So it's just great. So never throw away glasses like that. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So try to drink this in an empty stomach. I do have another solution. I found this yesterday. I will share his YouTube channel. He's a Turkish guy. I'm sure you guys won't understand. So later on today, I will do that as well. Let me just bring you, I prepared one last night. Here it is. I prepared this last night. Can you see the veggies? It's parsley and mint. I don't know, maybe this helped me lost another couple of more pounds this morning when I woke up on an empty stomach. Before showering, I weighed myself and I just couldn't believe it. I lost another. Okay, first I lost 6 pounds with drinking this, and I lost another 3 more pounds in 2 days. So believe it or not, these are working. And I try not to eat anything after 7 p.m. And it's right now, it's 1:20. I haven't ate anything, so I'm trying to have my stomach empty for so many hours. So I need to lose the weight. Definitely my tummy was so big. It was just ridiculous. You know, when I'm going, my tummy is like this in front of me, but it's terrible. The fat is here. Mostly when you look at my body, my fat is here. I don't have nothing. Well, automatically when I have fat here, it affects this because I have no bum at all. It's like straight, so skinny when I was young. So I'm kind of happy that I have that fat there, but here most of them are here. My legs aren't that bad at all as well. So yeah, there's still a little bit juice in here. You can squeeze it if you want. Yeah, try to drink this in an empty stomach, and this definitely helps. I wouldn't share you this recipe if I didn't try it, but it does work, and I'm just shocked. So 7 days I lost about 6 pounds. Well, including today, there's another 3 more, so it's 9 pounds. That's not bad at all. 9 pounds. So I'm just trying to go back to my weight when I was in Turkey. I was so good there. Oh, I was so good because I was walking. Oh, I was doing lots of walks. So I want to try to go to that weight. And I only have, I don't know, about less than 10 pounds left. So if I can go down there, that's my goal. And if I can go down more, that would be way better for me and for my health. Other than that, when I go to the doctor, everything looks good. My diabetes good, my cholesterol, I don't have any. But still, I take the pills, precaution, because I had a problem with my heart in 2018. My heart is good, they say, but you never know, right? I just want to see my grandkids. So I want to live that long at least, right? I'm 53 and I'm trying my best, but it's tough when you have pain on your back. And I have problems on my 2 feet. I have 2 on my heels. I have that's another problem, which started 20 years ago, 18 years ago. And in Canada, they don't do that operation here. I don't know what it's called. It's just a big thing on my 2 heels that I have. In Turkey, they do the operation, but I can't walk for 6, maybe 14 weeks. So I can't do that. Yeah, that's another thing. We'll see when I get older. We'll just need to check. So yeah, grab your make one and drink this in an empty stomach. You will love it. It tastes good because it has lemon in it, and the honey. I don't know. My sugars didn't go up. I measured it. Everything's okay. So definitely drink it. Okay. So I will see you on my next video, which I'm going to show you how to make this. Because this made me lose another 3 pounds. I'm assuming from yesterday, I don't know. I just started the first batch from yesterday. He's saying that you can lose up to 3 kilograms. So that's 6 pounds in 1 week. I think he said 5 weeks, 5 days or 1 week. I can't remember. So I'm trying his recipe as well. And we'll see if I can lose another extra 6 pounds on top of this, and we'll go from there. So stay tuned for this recipe. There's no names in it. It's just lemon, parsley, mint, cinnamon. Oh yeah, I was going to show you guys the ginger powder. Okay. So this is the ginger powder. Okay, that I had in my cupboards. And I went and bought more ginger powder so I can fill this. And I will use this. And and I will add the new fresh one in here. And yeah, and I thought I did have cinnamon sticks, but I don't. If you have cinnamon sticks, this would work for this. But I'm just using the powder because they do expire fast. So if you want to use them up, you can use them up. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button, because you never know what I will be posting. It can be a video of a tutorial, knitting, crochet, or health, or anything. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.